Genesis 64 has evolved from a tool for visualization to one that boosts corporate activities. Genesis 64 is a solution software that helps improve our customers' manufacturing through centralized management, visualization, and analysis of IT and OT information in the manufacturing industry, which is becoming increasingly DX-orientated. Genesis 64 boasts a solid track record of more than 300,000 projects worldwide and has been utilized in a wide range of applications, such as monitoring of production lines like Lotte's Yukimi Daifuku, as well as monitoring utility equipment and factory infrastructure, such as Taiyo Nippon Sanso's gas supply system Teleos I. Genesis 64 proposes optimal improvement measures to suit the specific production shop floor, equipment design, and management. Digitalization is urgently needed on production shop floors to improve productivity and quality by addressing concerns raised by customers, such as high labor requirements and risk of human error due to managing line operation status using paper forms. We can't confirm the progress of production unless we keep operators on site. And we want to notice abnormalities immediately, even when not monitoring equipment. Genesis 64 automatically aggregates production-related data, so you can always check the latest production status and improve manufacturing quality. In addition, you can check production results anytime from various devices such as PCs, tablets, and smartphones, whether at the office, on a business trip, or elsewhere. In the event of an equipment stop, Genesis 64 notifies you of the fault details and assumed cause. Remedial action can be displayed on the screen for speedy equipment recovery. Differences in specifications have become a major barrier in equipment design and operation, exemplified by issues such as equipment and system specifications vary between manufacturers, so we can't proceed with improvement activities of the entire production line as expected. And we want to connect FA and IT and promote improvement activities for the entire factory. Genesis 64 can connect to and link with various equipment due to its ability to import various databases and CSV, and support industry standard protocols such as OPC, BACnet, and Modbus. Genesis 64 can also be linked with various IT systems such as MES and ERP to aggregate and visualize a wide variety of data. In addition, various display methods and analysis functions of data contribute to the improvement of equipment operation by making it easy to extract system issues. One of the most important points of running an effective business is that the management team accurately grasp the situation on the shop floor. Therefore, it is necessary to meet needs such as, I want to keep the information I need visible at all times, and I want to make decisions quickly. Genesis 64 processes data collected from the field in the necessary form and visualizes it by various display means. Visualized data can be shared as a file at any time. We support speedy decision-making. In addition to the features introduced so far, Mitsubishi Electric will continue enhancing our unique solutions through Genesis 64. We have strengthened collaboration with GOT and Soft GOT, which has been proposed for monitoring production shop floors through the GOT screen conversion function, and so on. We propose a flexible visualization system that meets your requests. Mitsubishi Electric's digital twin reproduces the real situation of various phases on the shop floor in the digital world through advanced collaboration with our FA equipment and software products. Each software liaises to enable PDCA at an unprecedented speed, ultimately taking your manufacturing to further heights. In this way, Genesis 64 takes manufacturing to the next level by visualizing data previously unable to be seen and ultimately supporting customers' improvement of corporate activities on the production shop floor, equipment design, and management.